How to add a video on video in InShot app. So first thing first, let's open the InShot app, and I assume that you have already downloaded the InShot app on your mobile phone. So once you open it, you will be able to see the interface on in the screen, and in create new section there is video, photo and call list. So let me choose a video because we want to add a video on video. So you can see there is video from your gallery in this section. So just tap on video, any of them you want to edit. So once you do it, simply tap on green button at the bottom right corner of this sections on the screen. So once you tap on it, finally you'll be able to edit your video from this section. So you can see there is lots of tools available in here. So if you want to add a video on your video, then you can see there is PIP option in tool sections on the screen. So just tap on that PIP, and once you do it, you can simply select a video, or you can also overlay or add photo on here. So just tap on video for now and select a video you want to add on, and you can see you'll be able to overlay or add a video on your video successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to add a video on your video successfully. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.